Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and excuse the sound in the background. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but for me it's pretty loud. It'll be alright. Alright, so yeah, welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We have finally seen some bullish momentum. We got a little bit of a bottom indicator setting in right here into the price, and just in general, I mean, at some point of time, this was to be expected. Now, yesterday, I thought we had a chance from 39,000, which, I mean, you could argue that we found support there, even though I think technically we actually got closer to the support level around 38,000. I think that's the main support level that held, and we're getting some support right here, all right, which also was to be expected because, I mean, in the end, even after we got the ETFs, of course, you're going to get, or at least, I mean, if you watch my videos, we kind of expected to have a sell the news event. But ETFs fundamentally are still bullish. And then we have the Bitcoin halving later this year. So altogether, there's enough reasons to be bullish. And the main thing, which I've also talked about a lot in the last couple of videos, is the fact that if you look at Bitcoin right now, and this is not Bitcoin, if you look at Bitcoin right now, there's so much liquidity to the upside. I would be very surprised if not some of that at least gets grabbed. Now, we already grabbed some of that earlier today with this move up to 40,000. There's still a lot more, all the way from 41,000, technically up to 43,500. Now, I don't think we're going to grab all of that, but I do think now that we've actually found some support and even got a bullish breakout, even though it's not the biggest breakout there is, I do think we can rally higher. All right, so the main resistance level right now is 40,000. I think we can reach at least 41,000, where we have the 0.236 FIB, with a potential of spiking up to 42,000 and that area around 42,000 and 42,500. But I'm not too sure about that yet. All right. But overall, and I know I use the word rallying, overall, I think the market structure is going to stay bearish, all right? Because the only way Bitcoin, at least technically, could turn bullish right now is if it breaks above that level at 42,000 and 42,500. And to me, I mean, liquidity is great because it acts and it functions as some sort of a magnet to the price. But once price actually gets to liquidity, it serves as resistance, all right? So it's actually hard to push through these levels, or at least it's hard to push through these levels. It's not easy. All right, so those are the main levels where my eyes are set on. I think that's a possibility. I mean, just in general, I mean, we've had a very bearish start of the week. Sometimes a Wednesday is also a day of reversal. So I think today we actually have a possibility of being bullish. Right now, the main resistance level, like I said, is 40,000. I expect that to break. I expect us to rally up to 41,000. And then from 41,000, we'll have to see whether we can actually rally up higher. It frankly depends a lot on the reaction of Bitcoin to that level. All right. So at this moment, what you see is that the open interest is still pretty low. So that usually means that this is a lot of spot buying. If we reach 41,000 and that level around that, and then we actually drop back down to 40,000 and hold that as support, then I think we can rally up higher. But altogether, yeah, look, if I would have to tell you my most likely scenario right here, there's obviously a lot of uncertainties, and you should know that. But if I would have to tell you my most likely scenario, it would be some sort of a move up to 41,000, spike up to 42,000, drop, and then a continuation back down to 38,500 and possibly lower. But that might still take some time. I mean, the bearish momentum was very strong and quick in the last couple of days. I expect that to slow down a little bit. Those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description or the pinned comment. But that's up to you. We're still trading in there, mostly short trades right here, right there. But I'll keep my eyes on long trades as well, of course. So that's it. If you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching and bye.